talking about something new, something that stands out just by the name alone. Hello CryptoMoon community, before we get started, just a quick reminder that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so make sure you always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So this is not about shady pump and dump schemes. It's actually a clever, community-driven trading tool that is building hype in a very different way. Now let me explain how it works. It is like a mix between social trading, group speculation, and smart timing with full transparency on the blockchain. Users join a Telegram-based platform where selected tokens are announced and everyone has the same opportunity to jump in. But there is a catch, of course, it's not just a wild gamble. The platform is built with tools, transparency, and some rules that help make the experience more fun, fair, and potentially profitable for everyone. Step 1, you will join the Telegram bot. Once you join, you'll see the announcement about upcoming tokens, events, come downs, and rewards. After that, the platform will send out a notification for a scheduled token pump. Step 3 would be participating in the pump. At the exact moment the token is released, user can buy it, and timing is everything here. Some aim to hold for short-term games and others treat it as a quick in and out play. Step 4 is to earn rewards and stats, and here is where it gets interesting. You actually build a profile with stats like your trade history, win ratio, total gains, etc. You also get XP and ranks based on your performance, and it's like trading plus gaming. And the final step is to claim bonuses and climb ranks. The more you trade, the higher your level, and the more rewards you unlock. Now, what makes it different? What is cool about it is that it's not just pretending to be DeFi bank or long-term utility coin. It is upfront a game and a social experiment. So it's not trying to trick anyone. You know the risks, you know the game, and it's all about skill, timing, and community. Plus, everything is visible, transactions are on chains, user can track past pumps, and there is a leaderboard to see who is crushing it. This is for traders who want to play the pump meta in a cleaner, more structured and social way. If you ever watched the coin shoot up on Twitter or Telegram and thought, man, I wish I had jumped in earlier, this might be for you, but be smart, set your limits, and most of all, treat it like a game, not a guaranteed profit engine. So thank you for watching CryptoMoon community. That will be all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.